Let's do it one more time. It works pretty good. So we'll be needing an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, some male-to-male wires and some female-to-male wires, and a wire that connects our laptop to the Arduino Uno. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Nitya's Nest. Hope you all are doing well, and thank you for making me reach 130 plus subscribers. I'm sure with my more videos we can also reach 1000k subscribers. Thank you all. So today we are going to be making the sanitizer dispenser project. Sorry for the late video as I was settling down to another place. Let's join together and once again continue our journey. So as I said to you that today we are going to be making the sanitizer dispenser project, I'll also tell you the components that we need. So we'll be needing an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, some male-to-male wires and some female-to-male wires, and a wire that connects our laptop to the Arduino Uno. So in this video, we'll also be needing an Arduino additional board. We'll also be needing a bottle that's empty and a wire. So the first step is to connect the Arduino additional board to the Arduino Uno. It's very easy. I'm using the Arduino additional board because in this project we have to connect two sensors, and I could not connect the two sensors in one Arduino Uno board because it had only one 5 volt, and so it couldn't connect the both sensors. So today I'm going to be using the Arduino additional board. So here you go. I have connected the Arduino additional board to the Arduino Uno. It can connect with the Arduino additional board. We can connect 5 sensors. So this is really helpful to me. So let's go. With the ultrasonic sensor, let's connect the Arduino additional board. So we'll be needing a few male to female wires. So let's connect. So I'm not using the GND of the ultrasonic sensor because there was some problem, and I guess without the GND only we can make this project. So the VCC goes in the 5 volt. So let's connect it to the 5 volt, and then here the eco pin goes in the second pin of the Arduino Uno, which goes right here, somewhere here. So here, and then the trigger pin goes to the third. So the people who cannot understand me connecting the wires to this in the video, I've also uploaded the circuit diagram in the description and also the code. Just go down in the description and check it down below. So as I was continuing that, the trigger pin goes in the third pin. The connections of the ultrasonic sensors are done. So let's go to the servo motor. So here we'll be needing a few male to male wires. So the right sided pin, the brown color wire will go to the GND. So let me just connect this up. Okay, so here you go. This goes to the GND. So guys, here we have 5 GNDs, and we can connect 5 sensors in this. So it's really helpful for us. Then the middle pin, the red pin, goes in the 5 volt. So guys, here is a circuit diagram. The people who could not understand the connections while the video can go to the description and check out the connections. So instead of the breadboard, I have used the Arduino additional board. So you can check out with that. So as we are done, the middle pin goes in the 5 volt, and then the pin that is left, the yellow one, the left side pin, it will go in the 4th pin of the Arduino Uno, where the 2nd and 3rd pin was from the ultrasonic sensor. Just next to them, this pin will go. Okay. So now we are done with the connections and let's go to the code. So guys, this is the code right here. So we have two main things right here, the duration and the distance. And we have that if the distance of the hand kept from the ultrasonic sensor is between 0 to 10, the project will work. But if it's more than 0 to 10, it will not. So we are done with the code and let's see how this works. So now let's attach the project to the bottle. So the ultrasonic sensor will come here as we'll keep our hand here, and the sanitizer will come down. So let's attach it. I put a double-sided tape right here on the bottle. And now let's attach it. Okay, done. And now the servo motor right here works like this. So we are going to be attaching it right here, and it will work like this, and it will work like it will work like this. So now I have connected the servo motor on the back of the bottle, and now I am going to be taking some wire. So I have made two small holes on the bottle, and now from the bottom of the bottle I am going to take the wire and attach it to the servo motor. So now I am done with the connections, and here it is. So this the servo motor, it will work like this. It will work like this. So when it goes down, this also goes down, and when it comes up, this also comes up. So now we are done with the project. Let's see how it works. Let's do it one more time. It works pretty good. So you can also install this project as a soap dispenser or a sanitizer dispenser in your house. This is the project that we made, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Comment down below that which video shall I make next. I'll use one of your ideas and write your and tell your name also in my video. So take care, tata, bye bye. Subscribe and let's be a big family.